To work a double crochet, you start out with a turning chain, like the half double, but in this case, it's going to be 3 chains. That equals the height of a double crochet. And you turn your work around. And to work the double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over again, and pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Now with the half double, you yarned over and pulled through all 3 all at the same time. But with a double crochet, you're going to yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over again and pull through the last 2. There's a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and draw through 2 loops, yarn over and draw through 2 remaining loops. Double crochets. When you get to the end of the row, you've got the beginning chain 3 from the previous row that you have to work into. So you yarn over and you insert your hook right into the top of that chain 3. Yarn over and pull up a loop, and then complete the double crochet by yarning over, drawing through 2, yarning over, draw through the last 2.